Welcome back to our QGIS tutorial series. We are diving into advanced spatial analysis using QGIS. In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform spatial joins and overlays, which is two powerful tools for linking spatial data and analyzing relationships between layers, whether you are working on land use analysis or environmental impact assessment. This tutorial has you covered, so let's get started. So first we discuss what are spatial joins. So first we need to zoom to layer this one and this one as well. Okay. So spatial joins are a technique that links data from one layer to another based on their spatial relationships. For example, you can join these buildings data to these administrative zones to determine the number of buildings in each zone. So how to join these two layers in a single layer? So first go to the vector, then click on the data management tool, then find the join attribute by location, click on it. Join to feature in you need to select point data, which is Islamabad building, and by comparing to need to select Islamabad. This one is correct. So uncheck this one and check this one are within. So our building data are within the administrative boundary. If there are some data which overlap the boundaries, so we will select the intersector. So for now we use R within, which is correct, and create a separate feature for each matching feature one to one. So leave as it is. If you want to create a permanent layer you want to save, so you need to click on it, save to file, click on it, and name the file. So I will leave it as well. Create a temporary layer. So join type. Okay, that's it. Then click the run button. Now let's see. The new layer is created. So first we need to see the attribute data of Islamabad buildings. Click on this. Open attribute table and see there are four columns: full ID, OSM ID, buildings, names, and open this one as well. Open attribute table. There are OSM ID, class, type, name, and address. So these two layers are combined and create a new layer which is name is the joint layer, and these two table data are in this layer. Now click on it, open the attribute table. Now see two table data in a single layer: Islamabad Capital Territory and name. So with spatial joins you can enrich your data and unlock new insights, making it easier to analyze trends and patterns in your project. One of the most powerful tools for spatial analysis, overlays help us analyze how different layers interact spatially. For this tutorial, we will use intersect, union, and difference. But in this video, I will use only intersect and the rest of the two, which is union and difference. Use it by yourself and see the result, and write the comment what you will observe in the result. So let's move to the intersection part. So for intersection, click on the vector, this one, click on the geoprocessing tool, and here you find the intersection. There is a difference as well, there is a union as well. So before we move further, why we use an intersection? For example, we have two provinces, which one is Islamabad and the second was is Punjab, and the other layer is building points, this one. So all these points are merged in a single layer if we don't have this layer. So how to know this area is belong to which province? So for this we use intersection. So let's move, click on the vector geoprocessing tool, click on the intersection input layer. Here we use point data which is merged, and over layer is polygon which is also name is merged. Click on it. If you want to save the layer in your specified path, you need to change here, save to file. So I will leave it as default. So I will click on the run button. Now the new layer is created. So I will disable this one. Now open the attribute table and see this layer data and this layer data both are merged in a single file. Here you can see. Open attribute table, Islamabad, Islamabad and Punjab. But in this point data, there is no field. We even don't know this area belong to which province. It is same as the clipping tool, but the difference is that it will get the attributes of the other layer and merge it in a single layer. For example, where is the attribute table? Islamabad. Now look at this. Islamabad capital buildings are highlighted. So for further, if you need only Islamabad building from the specified layer, so you can filter the data as well from this tool. So for this video, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the bell icon, and write a comment below for the result of union and difference tool. Thanks for watching.